Thursday, September 14th, 4:27 p.m. New York time, U.S. stock markets closed. This review of my day trades, scalping. The S&P 500 futures, symbol /ES. The chart is the continuous chart. Looking here at a 1 minute chart, each candle is a 1 minute. This gray out area is all pre-New York session. New York session starting at 9:30. So this was the pre-market coming into it. We had economic news today. Look at this 1 minute candle selling off. We'll dump. Yep, that was 8:30. Economic news data come out. Consolidation, reversal, consolidation, greed, consolidation, higher into this zone, which was a prior supply zone of sellers. So my concern was here, look for opportunities to trade short. Plus, we have the September high up here. I was looking for potential trade ideas. So sat on my hands, didn't take any of these trades. No regrets, didn't lose anything. That's more important than just taking a trade. Thank goodness I didn't lose nothing. So going forward, 9 o'clock here. So 9 o'clock, I labeled the low of the 1 hour of the 9 o'clock. And I also labeled the low of the 4 hour. You might see on here, let's see if it shows up. Yep, so here's the 4 hour low. Because 9 o'clock a.m. is a 4 hour candle. And these are the prior 1 hours. Let's go put this back up. Now it's 9:27 here. So we had this high into the pre-market open, which again was the high of September. Then we had this sell-off coming here into the 9:27. Let's go forward a little bit. There we go. 9:30, the first 1 minute candle gets done to dump. Oh, also notice this here. So this, make it a little bit bigger. On the 1 hour, here's a big solid body. So I labeled midpoint, this 1 minute, this red horizontal line is the 1 minute. Sorry, this red horizontal line is midpoint on the 1 hour. And this gray area is the Fibonacci point in it. So I'm looking for a potential test, retracement, bounce off of it, break below it for trade ideas. It's a key level. Continue going forward. 9:31, getting closer to that. 9:32, touched it, reversed, green candle, closed green. So the first green candle from the 9:30 open. Sat on hands. I did not take the trade. Here we go. 9:33. Sorry, 9:34. 9:34? No, 9:33. That's what it was. Let me double check. 9:30. Yep, 9:33 in some seconds. Took the trade. I went long, bullish. Broke above here. And when it broke above there, I liked it. I bought it. Also, you can see here, that green candle. So all in that same minute, I was in a position, out of position, took a profit. Such a fast move. Yep. So again, the yellow hour is identifying the trend direction in the trade, but the green hour identifies also that trade got closed during that same minute. In and out. First trade winner. Thank goodness I got out of it. Because look at that next minute, red. So first trade, green, very nice. And these are scalps. That's why they're so fast. Day trading, you could be in for seconds, minutes, hours, as long as you close the same day. So notice this candle. This is the 9:35. So the first 5 minutes is really important. A lot of traders wait until the 5 minutes are done. So when this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red candle got done, a lot of people may be considering putting on trades, and it might be trading the derivatives, the equity, futures, options. Yeah. But again, that got done. It closed red. So it may have bearish biased people. Bearish bias thinking they're going to go short. Then the next candle here is green. Still holding that 1 minute, 1 hour midpoint right there. Very nice. Let's go forward. I went short here. In short and closed that same minute. Broke below that inside candle. I was bearish and took it. Closed fast. Thank goodness. Thank you. The second trade. So first one was bullish. Second one was bearish. Yep. Many choices. Look at that next candle, inside candle. So again, you see here, we're building consolidation. Not much price action. That first minute had a longer trading range. Again, smaller candles getting tight consolidation. Notice these big wicks in the bottom. Some of them like to get retested. And look at that. Break below right there. So broke below. I went short and all got closed the same minute. Third trade, in and out, short, profit. I was hoping it was going to have a fast move breakdown here in that 1 minute. It did not happen. It's okay. Thank goodness I didn't lose. I should have did the 942 one. Yep, that was the 942. Continue. Took another trade here. I took this trade, broke below that red. We thought we were going to have that smack down there because this red candle did a retracement, big wick on here. So I'm thinking, yep, it shows buyers rejecting it. I think it's going to break below there. So I'll take a trade, break below that red candle. Went short here. That was at 938. Let me double check. It should be 938. Oops. Let me check. Oh, 944. Or 942 was it? Went short there. And when it went short, fast reverse, took me out, stopped me out. So first loser. That sucks. I like that setup. I liked it. It did what I needed, but didn't have that follow through there yet. Still, it was bearish bias. But again, what happened here? Broke below that midpoint, green closed above it. So now maybe bullish bias. Went long. Broke above that high, that candle, went long. Green candle, bought it, and fast moved down. Lost 2 in a row. What a loser. Not good. At that point, I'm thinking maybe stop for the day because I had 3 winners, 2 losers. Nothing wrong with that. Again, small window opportunity day trade. It takes a lot out of your mindset to focus for here. So again, I'm not expecting to be here all day, let alone for half a day. The struggle is real. Okay, so that was a loser. Let's continue. Here's another trade. Took short. That one was at 949, getting closer to the top of the hour, which is 10 o'clock. Finally broke below there and closed below there. So I'm out. Went short here, closed there, profit. That was a little bit longer. Went short at 949, closed at 951. And the reason why I was in a little bit longer because I actually moved my target down a few ticks. I thought I was, yep, I liked it. So I took a little bit more risk by staying a little longer, but made a few more ticks. And the reason why I did that is I wanted to make up for my 2 losses here. So I got greedy, still won, made a few extra ticks, covered my losses here. Thank goodness. So again, still had losses for the day, but recouped them on that trade. Got it. And let's continue going forward. Oops. Now notice here, again, a lot of price activity at midpoint in that 1 hour, really important level. Again, we're having test prices of it above and below it. The majority of these candles are now closing below it, leaning more bearish bias. I went short here. Broke below that inside candle. Took the short, 955. 0955 for yesterday. Took that short. And it got closed there for a profit. That was fast. In 955, out 956. Then we were coming to the new 10 o'clock hour momentarily. There we go. It's 10 o'clock, the new hour. So I labeled the low that 1 hour, which happened to be there. And then look at that, 10 o'clock, or not 10 o'clock, but where I got out here, I closed that short That's where it reversed. Yep. 956 went reverse, trend went up. Again, thank goodness I closed that one fast. Let's go see how it looks. So here was at 10 o'clock. We went back down. You notice lower highs. Broke that 1 hour low here. Often when these 1 hour highs, lows, 4 hour high, low, higher time frames, high and lows get tested, make it break below there, but have a reverse back up. So not necessarily the best time to take a trade immediately when it breaks, but looking for a retest on that candle. Let's see, for example, here's a retest. So that's concerning. One may or may not take a trade there. I wouldn't like to have that confirmation, that breakout or above that one. Again, I was already done. 10 o'clock, I'd shut down. So look, break above, bearish pin bar. Consolidation, not looking good. And this wasn't valid anymore here. Nope, because it was used up. It did its thing, both sides, so that was no longer valid. Let's just take this to the 1030, see how things went. And again, broke below it more, so it's looking more bearish bias. Thank goodness. Probably would have lost if I took that bought there. Again, we saw this thing. The overall trend was bearish. You had a consolidation, a break below that, nice opportunity to go short there. And then you got these lower levels to look for. Look at that. Nice. So we went short in that breakout. You would have made your money depending on how many ticks you're looking for. And coming into that 1030 time frame, 1020, 1023, 1025, and 1030. So again, small trading ranges. The energy is definitely drying up. So a lot of the data, economic news came out earlier. And then again, getting closer to 10:30, 11 o'clock in New York time. The European traders, it's their evening. They're getting ready to shut down. So there's less traders here, but more easy for whipsaws. Let's go see how it looks into the 11. And then we'll finish off by looking at the 5 minutes. So that was the low of the trading session, the New York session at that point. Remember, that was a key level look for this area, this gray area, there for potential trade out areas. Inside candle. Wow. Looks like distribution here, maybe a fake out. Here we go, 11 o'clock. And breakout. So now let's throw this on the 5 minute because some people prefer to trade on the 5 minutes. Here we go, 8:30 a.m. to 11. Same lines, but each candle is 5 minutes. So right off the bat, that 5 minute candle here was a dump. That first 5 minute candle was a dump, sell off into that midpoint, that red. And then the reversal occurred. Like I mentioned, I went bullish, closed that same minute. Even though the 5 minutes red, there was enough price action there to make money on the long. Then look at this inside candle. I went short there. Next one went short. The third short here got stopped out. And here too was stopped out. A lot of fake outs right where those inside candles are. So looking at the entire frame, it makes sense now when you look at those. That was undecided because inside candles mean indecision. Just because they didn't take out the higher low prior candle. Even though I was trading the 1 minute, but you can see here a lot of traders were undecided. So it was a lot of indecision there. And these trades, like I mentioned, I took short here. Nice. And that one too, I took short there. Nice. And extend this a little bit more to show you. And this is 5 minutes. Here we go, 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, run up. 9:30 open, sell off. Between the 10:30, getting lows on the 5 minute. So again, if you just want to do a 5 minute, this green candle is a bullish engulfing candle. Nice trigger. Bottom of here, nice trigger to have gone long. Lord, I wish I stayed here longer, took these trades, but I didn't. Nice. So that was the bottom of the day. Reversed. One could have taken that trade when that got done, break out above there. That ran up, broke above. Again, remember I mentioned these key levels that broke above there, but the momentum didn't continue much further. So pulled back, looking for that pullback confirmation, bullish pin bar. Nice. You had that impulse move to the upside, retracement, nice trigger right there. So bullish engulfing candle here, good trigger. Label these. Bullish engulfing candle. It's like a seller shut off too. Because all these shorts got trapped, forced to buy back their positions, which helps this go higher. Down here, bullish pin bar. Yep, there's like a washout dump. And new buyers stepped in and the confidence went higher. Nice. And then obviously, look at that. High day. First to low of the day. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.